How to turn off auto updates for apps. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off automatic app updates on your Android phone using the Google Play Store. It's a quick process and only takes a minute. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Once you're on the Play Store home screen, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. A menu will appear. Scroll down if needed, then tap Settings. Now, tap Network Preferences to expand that section. Next, tap Auto Update Apps. You'll now see several options for how apps are updated automatically. To completely stop apps from updating on their own, select Don't Auto Update Apps. After selecting it, your setting will be saved automatically. And that's it. From now on, your apps won't update by themselves. Whenever you want to update an app, you'll need to open the Google Play Store and update it manually. And that's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.